Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a couple of questions, and I get this probably every Patch Tuesday or every time a update is available on a computer. And often people are asking me, well, how long did it take you to install this? Because I want to know if it's going to be a fast install or not. And I can't really tell you that. I can tell you that, but you can't use that information in knowing if it's fast or not, because each computer is different. In my case, it literally took only 3 or 4 minutes and it was done. But I've got a ultra fast laptop with SSD, so that probably played in the fact that it was a very quick install. Now, if you have an older PC, you have your PC with a regular hard drive, it will be longer. And I have seen some people mention to me that it took up to an hour for that to install. So even if I would tell you the time that it took me, it doesn't matter because it doesn't tell you how much time it's going to take you. And this is the perfect example this week that everybody that went to Windows Update. And by the way, when I talk about install, I'm talking about install time. When you go here, there's often going to be a download phase. It's going to say it's downloading the update. I don't look at the download time. That is not what I look at when I see the install. The other thing that I don't look at is when it says installing here. I don't look at that either, because you can use your PC to do other things while that is happening. So technically, unless your PC really slows down because of that process, it's not taking away some computer time for you. When I talk about the install time, I refer to the moment that it says here, restart now, and I click that button. The time that it took for my PC to restart, install the updates, and then be back at the lock screen ready to be used again is the time that I actually calculate. So that for me was a few minutes. But you know what? Some of you are, of course, it's longer, and depending on the age of your PC and so on. And I did have quite a few comments of people saying, well, it was quite long for me. So, it's different for everyone. The important thing is to go through it and make sure that it works fine afterwards. But like I said, there's no reference. I can't give you a reference that it should take this amount of time for updates. It's very, very different from PC to PC with different hardware, different software installed, and so on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.